Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Now let's scroll down and tap on a Backup and Restore option, and here we've got the section Google Backups, so let's tap on Backup. Now we have to tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it. So let me tap on it, confirm everything with your screen lock, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. The Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, simply tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree. Here you have to decide what kind of data you want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data like contacts, call history, device settings and text messages. So basically mark the option you'd like to back up. You can choose both. I'll choose only other device data and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got the backup section. Here we've got the information, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some unnecessary charges. And here to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. And from now on, your device is backing up the data. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.